Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about arrangement. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. The number of ways to rearrange the letters. So this is the formula you can use in here. So that should be about the numbers letters in one word, and we have factorial, and then we divide by how many repeated in one letter. This one they can be many times, so I will use about this signal in here. This is about multiplication in here. For example, we count this one and we have 5 letters, so we need to put number 5 in here, and we can see that we have 2 letter Y's. That means they repeat 2 times of letter Y, so we put number 2 factorial. We see that we have 2 letter O's, so we need to divide by number 2 again with the factorial. So we calculate this one and we have 30 ways. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.